Hello everyone, this is COLW. This is a good news for our old customer. Now we have an old product replaced with a new one activity. You can see this is the old version and this is a new version. In this year, we have made many new freeware based on the B series controller that support MQTT and many new functions. But this is the old version of relay controller. This can't be updated for the new functions. And many customers have downloaded the older hardware with the new freeware version. So it can't work because this chip MCU just a little memory flash. This is not enough memory flash and RAM for update the new freeware. So you need to replace the board. So we have this activity. If you have this 32-channel board, you can replace with this 32-channel new verse. And if you have the 16-channel old verse, you can replace with this H32B, the new verse. And you need to only pay $20 and the shipment. You can replace the new one, and your old one not need to send back to us. We can give you a new PCB board. But we have a request. You just need to take a video demo toy for your smart system, for your home, or for your project. Because this video will help other people to understand the system and use the system easily. And if you take the video and you want to show your connect information, and we will insert to our video description. So if some people or customer have interest in nearby your city or nearby your country, they can contact with you directly, and you can make the business for other people, always no problem. And about the activity, everyone customers only have one chance for the big discount when you have post our video MP4 file. Okay, if you have the older relay controller and you want to update, you have something need to confirm, you can leave a message to us. We will help you how to update and how to replace the new one. Okay, thanks for watching.